To reset Samsung Galaxy A16 or new models, the first and most important thing is you have to connect your Samsung phone with a USB-C cable to a computer. So I will connect it. After that, I will switch off the phone. Power off, and then power off. Once the phone gets completely switched off, you have to press the volume up button and this power on off button until the recovery menu appears. Once this Android recovery menu appears, then you have to press the volume down button and select this option, wipe data or factory reset. Now if you have to activate this menu, you have to press this power on off button, and if you have to do hard reset, press this volume down button and select factory data reset, and then select this power on off button, and your Samsung phone will be hard reset.